Hello, I'm Chris Webb. I'm one of the inventors of SUBA.
My name is Andy Sinclair and I'm the VP of Development. I'm also one of the inventors of SUBA.
We want as many people as possible to experience the beauty and magic of scuba diving.
After 5 years of designing, building, refining and testing, we've finally taken everything we've learned and created our first market-ready product.
SUBA, which stands for Smart Underwater Buoyancy Assistant, represents the next generation of scuba diving equipment. It puts divers in control of their dive. The diver in control protects themselves, their dive buddy, the coral reef, the underwater world, and ultimately our planet. The heart of our patented system is our SUBA wrist-fitted dive computer. Our system allows divers to be in control, but is adaptable and can be programmed to support each individual diver's preferred style of diving. It removes some of the risks and complications involved in manually controlling your position in the water.
So why does the world need SUBA? Well, dive instructors see student difficulties every day.
These difficulties distract the diver from the teaching and the techniques and skills that are being taught.
Our development challenge was to apply advanced computer and smart technologies to help with the complex calculations necessary to make a safer scuba dive. At the same time, we are not about changing the way we, as divers, prefer to dive. A key role of our smart technology is to help the diver emulate what an expert diver would do in a particular situation. The diver is monitored, measured and instructed in this by SUBA.
Before SUBA, buoyancy compensation using BC jackets was a manual process. BC jackets are effective, but most divers experience problems with buoyancy control.
Whether you're a diver in training, an experienced diver under stress or in an emergency situation, it is all too easy to add too much air and to ascend too fast. The SUBA system consists of 4 main components: an advanced dive computer with sunlight-readable TTF LED display, a tank transmitter which communicates air consumption to the SUBA computer by Wi-Fi, a SUBA controller which can manage the air intake and air release, and lastly, the world's first smart buoyancy compensation jacket.
We've spent the last 24 months trialling variants and refining the design. The evolution of SUBA has progressed from proof of concept right through Mark 1, Mark 2 and now to Mark 3. We've undertaken extensive testing at each stage, initially in laboratory towers, SUBA fitted to mannequins in test tanks and real divers in ice-cold lakes.
SUBA is designed by divers for divers. With your help, we can introduce more people to the wonders of the underwater world. Help us today to change scuba diving forever.